Have you ever wondered about the profound impact of your touch on your baby? It's more than just skin deep. Gentle touch is a language your baby understands from day one. It's a way to soothe, comfort, and even boost their health. When you massage your baby, you're not just nurturing their little body, but also their developing mind. It's a beautiful way to strengthen the bond between you and create a sense of deep connection. Baby massage is a time-honored tradition practiced around the world for centuries. From India to Indonesia, parents have used this gentle touch therapy to soothe their babies and foster their well-being. The beauty of baby massage is that it's simple, effective, and accessible to everyone. No matter your background, you can learn these techniques and experience the joy of connecting with your baby in this special way. How does something as simple as touch create such powerful effects? The answer lies in our biology. Gentle massage stimulates the vagus nerve, a long nerve that runs from the brain to the abdomen. Stimulating the vagus nerve helps to slow down your baby's heart rate, lower blood pressure, and reduce the production of stress hormones. It's like flipping a switch from fight or flight to rest and digest. This promotes a sense of calm and relaxation for both you and your baby. Massage does more than just relax your little one. It releases a powerful hormone called oxytocin. This love hormone plays a crucial role in bonding, trust, and emotional connection. When you massage your baby, your body releases oxytocin, and so does theirs. This creates a beautiful feedback loop of love and connection. It's a powerful reminder that the simple act of touch can have a profound impact on your baby's emotional well-being. The benefits of baby massage extend beyond relaxation. Studies have shown that regular massage can improve sleep patterns, aid digestion, and even boost the immune system. For premature babies, massage has been shown to promote weight gain and improve overall health. These tiny humans thrive on touch, and massage provides a much-needed sense of comfort and security. Section 6. A language of love. Before babies can understand words, they communicate through touch. It's their first language, a way for them to experience the world and connect with those around them. Through gentle massage, you're speaking your baby's language. You're telling them they're loved, safe, and cared for. This early tactile stimulation is crucial for their emotional development and lays the foundation for healthy attachment. Section 7. Your Baby Massage Guide. Ready to experience the magic of baby massage? This ancient practice has been cherished by parents across cultures for centuries. Not only does it help in strengthening the bond between you and your baby, but it also offers numerous health benefits. From improving circulation to aiding digestion, baby massage can be a wonderful addition to your daily routine. Here's a simple guide to get you started. Whether you're a first-time parent or looking to refine your technique, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring that both you and your baby have a relaxing and enjoyable experience. First, find a comfortable spot. This could be a cozy corner in your living room or a dedicated space in your nursery. The key is to ensure that the area is free from distractions and has a calming ambiance. Choose a warm, quiet room where you can relax and enjoy this special time with your baby. The temperature should be just right, not too hot, not too cold. A serene environment will help your baby feel secure and at ease. Lay them down on a soft blanket or towel. Next, warm the oil. A soft surface ensures that your baby is comfortable and can move freely. You can use a blanket, a towel, or even a specially designed baby massage mat. Use a natural hypoallergenic oil like coconut or almond oil. These oils are gentle on your baby's delicate skin and provide the right amount of lubrication for smooth, gentle strokes. Warm it up in your hands before applying it to your baby's skin. This ensures that the oil is at a comfortable temperature and helps in creating a soothing experience for your baby. Then, start with the legs. Babies often enjoy having their legs massaged, and it's a great way to introduce them to the sensation of massage. Gently massage each leg from thigh to foot using long, smooth strokes. This helps in improving blood circulation and can be particularly soothing for babies who are often swaddled or in diapers. After that, move to the arms. Babies use their arms a lot, and a gentle massage can help in relieving any tension they might have. Use the same gentle strokes to massage each arm from shoulder to hand. This can be a great way to calm your baby, especially if they've been active or fussy. Now massage the chest and tummy. This area is particularly sensitive, so ensure your touch is gentle and soothing. Use circular motions around the belly button to aid digestion. This can be especially helpful if your baby is experiencing gas or colic. Avoid massaging the area directly over the rib cage. This area is delicate and it's best to focus on the softer parts of the tummy. Finally, finish with the back. The back is a large surface area and can be very relaxing for your baby. Gently stroke your baby's back from shoulders to bottom. This can help in relieving any tension and is a great way to end the massage session. Remember to keep your touch gentle and loving. Your baby will respond to your touch, and a gentle approach will make the experience enjoyable for both of you. Pay attention to your baby's cues, and stop if they show any signs of discomfort. Every baby is different, and it's important to be attentive to their needs and reactions. Section 8. Avoiding common mistakes. While baby massage is generally safe, there are a few common mistakes to avoid. These mistakes can not only make the experience less enjoyable for your baby, but can also lead to discomfort or even minor health issues. By being aware of these pitfalls, you can ensure that your baby gets the most out of their massage sessions. First, massaging too soon after a feed. This is a common mistake that many new parents make. Wait at least 45 minutes after feeding to prevent spitting up. Massaging a baby on a full stomach can cause discomfort and may lead to regurgitation, which is unpleasant for both the baby and the parent. Next, using too much pressure. It's important to remember that a baby's skin and muscles are very delicate. Your touch should be gentle and loving, not firm or forceful. Applying too much pressure can cause discomfort and may even lead to bruising. Also, ignoring your baby's cues. Babies communicate in their own way, and it's crucial to pay attention to their signals. If your baby cries, arches their back, or seems uncomfortable, stop the massage and try again another time. Forcing a massage when your baby is not in the mood can create a negative association with the activity. Remember, every baby is different. What works for one baby may not work for another. Some babies may enjoy a firmer touch, while others may prefer a very light touch. It's all about finding what makes your baby comfortable and happy. Be patient, flexible, and follow your baby's lead. By doing so, you can create a positive and nurturing experience that both you and your baby will look forward to. Section 9. Ancient Wisdom, Modern Benefits. For centuries, people in India have practiced a form of baby massage called Shantala massage. This ancient technique has been passed down through generations, preserving the wisdom and traditions of Indian culture. The practice is named after Shantala, a South Indian woman who was observed by a French obstetrician, Dr. Frederick Leboyer, in the 1970s. He was so impressed by the benefits of this massage that he introduced it to the Western world through his book, Loving Hands, The Traditional Art of Baby Massage. This technique involves a series of flowing rhythmic strokes that promote relaxation, bonding, and overall well-being. The gentle, repetitive motions help to soothe the baby, reduce stress, and improve sleep patterns. Additionally, the massage stimulates the baby's circulatory and digestive systems, which can aid in relieving common infant discomfort such as colic and gas. Shantala massage is easy to learn and can be incorporated into your daily routine. Many parents find that taking a baby massage class can be a helpful way to get started. These classes often provide step-by-step instructions and hands-on practice, ensuring that you feel confident in your ability to perform the massage correctly. Once you have learned the basics, you can create a special bonding time with your baby each day. It's a beautiful way to connect with your baby, promote their development, and tap into the ancient wisdom of touch. The benefits of Shantala massage extend beyond the physical. It also fosters emotional and psychological growth. The close contact and eye-to-eye interaction during the massage help to build trust and a sense of security in your baby, laying the foundation for a strong parent-child relationship. So, why not give it a try? Your baby will thank you for it. By incorporating Shantala massage into your daily routine, you are not only nurturing your baby's body, but also their mind and spirit. This simple yet profound practice can bring joy and relaxation to both you and your baby, creating cherished memories that will last a lifetime.